Yo, YouTube, it's Trayman XZ. I'm back with another video. We back at Millington with it. Millington versus Central. Back at Millington. We finna see. The boys gonna put belt to ass. Central gonna put belt to ass. Y'all already know. Here with y'all. Well, who we here with today?
Hey y'all, it's Bailey.
Okay, aka who?
They party, aka Ready Y'all Band.
Okay. How you feel about the girls' game?
They did that shit.
Okay.
I'm not.
I wish I could have recorded you, bro, but I came here a little late. I ain't gonna lie. But how you feel about the boys' game?
My little cousin on Central, so that shit can go either way.
So you ain't picking no sides right now.
I ain't picking no sides.
Just watch.
I'm just watching.
I feel it. She just supporting, coming in sport. No cap, though. What's your Instagram?
They party, Daily Bell Band. You know what I'm saying?
It's just gonna be right there. Make sure I go add her. No cap. Let me get in with y'all though.
Alright, gang.
Who we got here today?
We got AP.
No cap, no cap. How you feel about the girls' game?
I fuck with it. It's good.
Ain't a lot of they did they shit.
Yeah.
Okay, no cap. How you feel about the boys' game? That's about that.
It's gonna be good. Maybe some dunks, some boots.
I need to see. I want some though. I ain't gonna lie. No cap though. Another question is, who on the team is your favorite player?
Those are boys.
Boys.
Name, I fuck with Dre. He got Hawks. Yeah, I fuck with Dre.
Ain't quick. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on with you at halftime. I'm interview.
Bet.
Say no more.
Year number 12, Andre Tyler. And for the 6'5" senior number 22, Tayshawn Land. On the wing, the 6'5" senior number 15, Aiden Macklin. Center, a 6'4" senior number 5, Chris Henderson. And then guard, a 6' senior number 0, Cody McGee.
tied up 29-29. I ain't gonna lie. It's a real good game, some real close game going on. Had some Mac in the last play. He had an amazing ass dunk. I ain't gonna lie.
Right.
After this, we gonna see you actually going. You putting belt to ass today.
Right.
I'm gonna get back at y'all, man. Let's go. Yo, it's halftime. How you feeling?
Man, it's on time.
Yeah, it's tied up right now. It's a good game. Did you see that dunk though?
Yeah.
I'm finna show that dunk. I'm finna replay it. No cap, that joint was hard though. Man, I'm gonna get up with you. It was nice to bring you, nice talking to you though. Hey, peace out to the camera.
Bye, y'all.
Guys, halftime right now. How y'all feel about it? That was hard for it.
I didn't have a lot to have. Nigga, I got his ass to halftime.
God, let's go right there. Hey, 29-29. Mind you got his ass boom down. Yeah, tough. I ain't gonna lie. They teeing up.
Right now, put his ass through the rim.
Oh, God. No cap. We gonna get back to y'all, though, after the halftime. Well, you're here with today?
We're 2-5.
Hey, what sport you play?
Football.
Football type shit. We had the basketball game. How the game going so far?
Shit, he going, shit. Told you gotta stay strong. I don't know what they doing now. They was in the game, I don't know what they doing now.
Hey, what's your Instagram? Shout out to your Instagram.
I am Roy, one dot on the screen.
Okay, it's gonna be right there. No cap. Back to the game.
Final score, Central 57, Millington 48.
Who on with today?
You only can type shit.
What's the nickname? AKA what?
Campaign.
No rap. How you feel on the game though?
The game was crazy. They need to practice. I ain't gonna practice.
I feel it. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, my nigga Canton, upcoming rapper though. No cap. What's your Instagram? And what's your
Instagram? Most of them got Canton. I ain't gonna lie. And then who got is got Canton. I ain't gonna lie. I got go ahead, follow the real talk.
Don't be right here. No cap. Follow my nigga. Go support. No rap.
Yeah, who my nigga? We on pulling up type.
No rap.
Yeah.
What's good, YouTube? I ain't gonna lie. It was a real close game, real good game, cool. When Central did come out on top, but damn, the score ain't even on the board no more. Central did come out on top. It was a real good game. There was amazing plays happening. There was No cap. Next game, probably gonna be at Varley. Some other shit. I'm gonna get back to y'all. If y'all like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna get up with y'all.
How could you diss with the pros out you ducking and dodging your head? Like, free bitch be with the ops. She brought Mikey Rowe, but she lay in my bed. He tried to push up on me, bullet start flying right past, nigga thought he was dead. Like, the ops linking up.